Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today is the biggest news ever. So I'm really excited to let you know that finally, thanks to you that you're watching, thanks to you, thanks to all of your support, and of course, with thousands of requests over these years, 6 years of YouTube, I was able to make the unique, the best, my personal pizza master class. Yes, I'm happy to show you everything. Amazing, I'm so excited for you to see this. Check this out. Wow, take a look. Crunchy and soft in the same time. I don't want to talk about the smell. Wow! Pizza is not a trend. Pizza is a lifestyle. My name is Vito Jacopelli. I'm numero uno real Italian master pizzaiolo. And then I've been making pizza since I was 8 years old. Press it, pum 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 pum. Voila, stretch it, pum pum. So this case of water, I still remember right here. My father used to put it under the counter because it was very short. So I was jumping on this case, and then I was stretching the pizzas there. We were making 1,200 pizzas a day, always, every day. Top. Now we can cut it and give it to the customer. The passion brought me where I am today. I lived the American dream. As soon as I came to the United States, I got voted the best pizza in the country, and that was the best feeling of my life. La ciliegina sulla torta. It looks like the pizza place. I mean, take a look of this pizza. And now I'm ready to tell you all my secrets. The mission for me today is to make you a pizzaiolo like a pro. After this course, you are not gonna go back to the pizza place for sure. Cooking is an act of love, but the art needs to be guided by the brain. I grew up with making cheese, making focaccia and pizzas. That's why I love to make my own fresh mozzarella. Amazing! Wow! I will give you the gift to feed your loved ones with emotions. 50 years ago, my grandfather used to do this. So now, very important that you give a nice touch on the smoke. Boom, voila, the pizza is ready. I'm going to show you step by step all the secret and special skills you need to make the best pizza. From the dough to the best and freshest toppings, and finally to the oven. No, this is not correct. Tap it. Tap. I'm done. I fired myself, that's it. I'm done. This is the best. This is not just a course, this is a full package. Here we have 2 courses. One, how to make pizza at home, very professionally, and then one, how to make pizza in the business. Take a look. Out of this world. Did you see this bread? It's made from the pizza dough. Regardless if you are just a pizza lover in your own kitchen, or if you are a great restaurant chef, this course is for you. Perfect, amazing pizza. I'll be here in my kitchen waiting for you. So, tell me, please, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. For more info, please check out the description below, and then we have a limited price for the first month. I'm very excited for you when you're going to see all this full course. It's amazing, guys. I made everything from scratch. I reveal some secret that I never say to you. Wow, guys, just check out the link, click on the link below, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, because if it wasn't for you, I was not able to make this. I made it really professionally, thanks to your help, over these months and years, and then I'm really happy, I'm really proud because with this course I'm going to help you more. I'm going to help the community in the world. I really say everything. I hope that you can keep supporting me by get this course, and then please at the end, if you are going to get this course, please tag me on Instagram. And thank you so much, guys, again from the bottom of my heart. And please, guys, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and please share with a lot of people. This way the world will know about this unique pizza masterclass by Vito Jacopelli. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao.